This video is probably a year overdue, and that's the truth I need to share first. I've been letting one thing defeat me: procrastination. I'm God's power, a cybersecurity student here in Nigeria, and for a long time I've had the skills, coding, building, and a deep interest in two fields that can change everything: trading and AI development. But I kept telling myself I wasn't ready, that my setup wasn't perfect, that my story wasn't good enough. Today I realized that waiting for perfection is just another word for staying stuck. I'm nowhere near the finish line, but I'm finally here to start the work. This video is my commitment. It's my journey of building control from the ground up, using the skills I have right now. Trading is teaching me discipline. It's my mental challenge to master risk, patience, and mindset. The skills you need to survive anywhere. AI development is my creative outlet. I'll be building useful tools and apps to solve real-world problems and bring efficiency into my life. This is the real truth of what it takes to grow. The struggle, the late nights, the learning, it's all here. If you're also struggling to take that first step, if you know what it feels like to have big plans but be held back by fear or procrastination, then you understand exactly what this is about. This is my first step. I am God's power, no perfection, just progress.
What I always wanted, I could never have it. Gone before I grabbed it, over before it started. No, I could never have it.